Marshall University students now have the power in their hands. A new online tool is letting students know exactly what classes they will need to graduate, taking the guesswork out of class registration.
DegreeWorks is a software-based program that all students at Marshall have access to in order to see what classes they need to graduate. It lists them out. It's a very transparent way that the university has in order to show students what they're going to need in order to get that piece of paper at the end that everyone's striving for.
One, it's a very helpful tool in that it really breaks down the classes you have to take. Because I know a lot of students are probably confused, like, I don't know what classes I have to take, there's so many. But DegreeWorks really breaks it down, not year by year, but all the classes that you have to take, and it's just a real good check-off list, especially those people who are list-oriented, like to-do lists. It's just like a to-do list.
The other tool that DegreeWorks has that's super beneficial is for students who are deciding that they're maybe not sure if they want the major that they're in. Then they can play with a tool within the program called What If? And you could say, what if I don't want to be a criminal justice major? What if I don't want to be an education major? In which case it will show them, if they switch majors, the degree process, how far they are away from that degree, and let them know if they make that change, if they're still on track, or if it might push them back a semester, what classes are going to count, what classes aren't going to count.
Students should still go see their advisors before registering for classes. The DegreeWorks tool can be found online in students' MyMU accounts.